In this video, we are going to be looking at the basic tools in the rich text editor, or WYSIWYG as it's sometimes called. I'm going to show it to you in two different contexts, in creating a content HTML page and in creating a new announcement. So the current screen you see, this is if we're creating a new HTML page for the content. Now notice here, all your tools for the rich text editor are here. If you don't want to see them all, you can click on that. And then if you want them back, you can just click right there. So going through just the tools quickly, these are your basic text options, your bold, italics, underline. You can also do subscripts, superscripts, and strike throughs. These three buttons here will have different videos for all of them. This is insert an image. This is insert stuff. So this is insert things that are not already part of the course. And this is insert quick link, and this is inserting things that are already part of the course, like content or discussions or virtual classroom, links to virtual classroom meetings. So links to any of those things that are already in your course. These are equation editors. We can look at those later if you want. They're really useful for doing math and chemistry, physics, science, things like that. This is just bulleting, adding bullets. This is just all your indentations, alignments, and you can do an ordered list as well. This is tables. So if you want to create a table, you just have to drag however big you want it, and you get a table in there. The text color, again, your formats here. So paragraph is what is normally going to be anything you type is the paragraph. And these headers are just exactly that. They're for headers in your lessons. So header 1 is your main header, header 2 are for subsections, header 3 are for subsections of these, and so forth, and they get smaller as you go. Your fonts and your font size, undo, and then there's these three here. Now this is actually viewing the HTML source of this page. So if you click on that, you'll actually see the HTML. So if maybe later on we can do some advanced HTML stuff, some common things that you can do. But if you are interested in seeing that, or if you're able to or want to, you can edit that here. This is called the accessibility checker. It does a lot, but a couple of the main things it does is any image that you add has to have an alt text so that people with vision impairments would be able to hear a description of that image. And then this is a preview, so you can preview your site. The other thing that this accessibility checker will do is to make sure that the headers, these headers are in the right order, so you don't have like a header 4 below a header 5, right? Or a bigger header below a smaller one. It'll actually go through and check that for you as well. But we can talk about that later as well. But that is your basic rich text editor tools. Now, if you're going to create an announcement, which is here, notice that it's basically the same tools, but it does look a little different. Notice that some of those tools are down here, like your accessibility checker and your preview and your HTML. And also, notice that the buttons look a little bit different. This is your insert stuff, this is insert image, and this is insert quick link. They just do look a little bit different. But it's all the same kind of options, all right? So this is the basic text editor or rich text editor that you have, and those tools that are available to you. And in subsequent videos, we're gonna go into some of these in much more detail.